You love it how I move you. You love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you will believe God is a woman.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about unboxing, and I start off with the smallest one first, which is Ipsy. And I left Ipsy for like a good couple of months because child size stuff is just not for me, even though I like most of the products that I got. But after a while it was like they're giving me stuff that I didn't want. So here's the bag, and I got, first thing that I see is, you can see it, it's a oil and moisture balanced vitamin F, a velvet mask. So yeah, pretty neat. And then there's this one. It is a Doll Pigment Skin Vitamin C Velvet Mask. And inside the bag is the card. So it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Ipsy, September 2018. Ooh. And it's, yeah. So I'll show you what I got inside. So I got this. It's, let's see if you can see that with the light shining on it. Anyways, it's a Trestique. It's a lipstick. It's a mini lip glaze. So yeah. Next I got is this Nomad Around the World Positano Sunrise. It's a light infusion powder. It's buttery, super blendable blushing highlighter in shimmering soft peach shade with multi-dimensionals. It's a bit dark in here to read. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm getting the whole Ipsy bag in with the giveaway because the only reason why I signed up with Ipsy again is for that Ipsy Glam Plus. I really want that. So next is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Let's see if we could, I don't know, it's really, the light's bright so it's kind of hard to see. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. And next, ooh, I really want to keep it, but no. It's a Luxie brush. This is Good Night. It's very pretty. Yeah, so that's my Ipsy bag. This is all going into my giveaway. If you want to see what's all in a giveaway and how you can enter, please keep on watching. I will also include this. You get like a 30% cash back on all of these items if you want to buy them yourselves after you're done with these trial size ones. Yeah. Here's part one of the giveaways. And next, ooh, I've been waiting to open this one for like two and a half to 3 weeks because I was waiting for all of the other boxes, or the Ipsy and the Fabfitfun. So yeah, here it is. Ooh. To be honest, I didn't even know about this box until the day of the launching. I don't really keep up with everything. So when I was on Facebook and on the one site, or on the one page that I'm on, everybody was talking about BoxyLuxe. I'm like, BoxyLuxe? I was like, So I went on the site and it asked me if I wanted to upgrade. I clicked yes, but then I had to go back because I had to change my payment method because I just didn't have money on the one that I had. So here's the card. And I don't want to rub it in because I heard a lot of people had a lot of trouble on upgrading this. And it only took me one shot, to be honest. And for someone who didn't even know about it, I apologize for rubbing it in, but I'm really excited that I got this box. So on the inside it shows what everything's in here, and I already know everything because I watched like every single video that popped up. And I got number 1. So let's keep that inside. First things first, right on the top. Ooh. It's the Tarte Highlight Performance Naturals Park Ave Princess. This one I'm going to keep. I've been looking forward to this and I just love palettes. I love it. So here we go. It's a bit bright. And there it is. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, my lighting's not doing any of this justice, but the main thing is just to show everybody what I got. Even though I'm like, it's September 30th today, and I've been waiting for like forever for the Fabfitfun and the Ipsy bag. And then I was waiting to record so I could put my makeup on. I had like a really bad issue with something made me break out, and it got like really dry, and I just kept breaking out, and now my whole face is so dry. And I'm usually oily, and I just finished buying matte cover up, which sucks. So the Park Ave Princess palette is worth $45. And next, might as well start off with this, is the, let's see, the Nightingale. Yeah, anyways. It's a Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. And there it is. So pretty. I'm also going to keep this. And that is worth $35. I won't total everything up right now, but I'll like put in, like, I won't post, like, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to add I'm not going to add everything up right now. I'm going to put it on my thumbnail. The next is this. It's the Laura Geller New York. It's a Baked and Brightened blush. This one, I have something similar to this one already that I got in my Ipsy bag a long time ago. I'm tempted to keep it, but that's going in the giveaway as well. Oops. And that one is worth, where is it? I can't find it on here for some reason. Or I just can't read. It is worth, Their dad's bugging the kids, and if you guys can hear them, there it is. $28 that's worth. Sorry, I got limited space. I have a really small desk with all this products. And next is some brushes, brush set. And this is, for some reason I just can't read right now. Let's see. Primer, Luxie brush, airbrush foundation. Nope, that's not it. Oh, it's a Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos. I'm probably saying that wrong. It's a brush set that's worth $18. This is going into the giveaway. Sorry, it's like close to the kids' bedtime, and Dad's bugging them. And next is this like really big tote bag. I'm not going to take it out because this is also going in the giveaway. It's just like something extra. And ooh, let's try this Death Valley Arco Death Valley dry shampoo. It's like just a little tiny travel size, and this is worth $17. I don't necessarily use dry shampoos, so this is also going in the giveaway. And this Violet Voss lipstick in the shade Wasted 106. I'm not going to open that either. It is worth, goodness, $12. And this one I'm going to keep is this Crown Airbrush Foundation. I'm excited to try that. So this one I'm keeping. That one is worth, I just think, $38. And this one I'm definitely going to keep because sometimes when I wash my face and my hair gets in the way. Keeping that one. That one's worth $5, I believe. Can't remember. Somebody posted on theirs. Anyways, that's not, it's like worth $5 or $8. Next is this Soul let's read it off here. Sol de Janeiro. It's an Empanina Sunset Glow. That one is worth $35. I don't use body oils or anything, so in the giveaway. And this is all gonna be like one big set, and I'll explain it all after. These last two items I'm gonna keep. This is the, where is it? It's a Smashbox limited edition photo finish primer water, and that is worth $32. And this one is in serene greens. I have no idea. But smell it like everybody else does. I don't really know if I like that smell, but definitely gonna try that out. So I'm keeping that. And this next one I'm super excited to get. I was really hoping that I would get this one. Is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I was so excited to get this because I'm like 35 years old and I'm starting to get like a little fine line underneath there, and when I'm putting concealer on, it's not so flattering. Even though I get lots of people telling me that I don't look old enough to have 3 kids and one of them in high school, grade 8. So yeah, I'm excited to get that. This one is worth $70. So those are the stuff that I'm keeping. I'm gonna put them back in the box. And oh no, oh no, please be okay. I'm gonna so cry if it's okay. Good. Oh God. I did not mean to do that. Mini heart attack. Oh my God. It's all the stuff from the Luxie box. I will put a link down below for Ipsy, Luxie, and the Fabfitfun if anybody wants to start subscribing themselves. I highly suggest BoxyCharm because they've been really good since I started in January, and I loved every single box that I got. I kept everything that I got because yeah, I just didn't want to spend too much on myself, even though I do. Shh, don't tell my boyfriend. Oh goodness. So next we got Fabfitfun, and I'm also going to be getting some giveaways in this. That's big. And of course, like everybody else shows, it has a magazine. It says Christina Applegate, her journey and why she's advocating for better breast cancer education. So yeah, this will be good to read. Ooh. I don't know. I haven't seen anybody else get this, so I'm wondering if it's because it's my first time. I got a a Fresh Start gift card. $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes, and free shipping. That's interesting. I'm just debating if I want to keep it. I've been wanting to try a Fresh Start, Hello Fresh or whatever, so sorry, I'm gonna have to keep that. It's $50. And the next thing that was on top is the Luna Rica. It says enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna bars. And yeah, I'm gonna test it out. This box is big, so that's what it looks like inside. It says share to win Fabfitfun. I don't know what that means. Maybe if you could comment below and let me know. First thing that I wanted to try was this original beauty blender, and it's in a cute baby peachy color, whatever. It's like, I don't want to say pink because it's more like a peach color. Keeping this, I'm gonna put it there but not mix it up with the stuff I'm giving away. And the Luna bar. And this one is cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. I'm gonna nibble on that in the morning. And I'm just curious. This is an innovative dual ended lip kit featuring a rich metallic matte shade and a matching glitter gloss for a buildable bold lipstick. I think I'm going to keep this because I already have a lipstick in there, and this one is in the shade 2 Penny. Just open it up. It's not coming out, and that is what it looks like. And let's just swatch it. Ooh, I actually like that color. I don't know about the gloss. I'm not a gloss kind of person. I don't like when my lipstick comes off. My holy grail lipstick is the Revlon Color Stay, but yeah, there's the color. That one is the liquid lipstick, and that little thinner line is the gloss. Definitely gonna try that out. I don't really have much space to put this. So there's this. I'm really excited about. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna just kind of block that light. Anyways, it's a Bluetooth Cobra headphones. It was either this or, I don't know, it was a choice, and I picked this one because I don't need an umbrella. Yeah, it was an umbrella or this, and I chose this. I'm gonna keep this one, of course. Next is this. It's a Skin & Co. Roma Blue in Capri Shower Gel. It's with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Next is this Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. I got 2 of them. First, I'm going to keep it. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna. And next, I don't really have. I'm either gonna keep this or put it in the giveaway. I'll let you know at the end. Put it in the thumbnail as well, and also, yeah. Next is this Grown Alchemist Hydrating Repair Day Cream. Ooh, it's a free from skin aging toxin and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfate, no blah blah fragrance. Yeah, all that good stuff. It's a non-greasy facial moisturizer, and I think I'm gonna keep this one because yeah, my face needs moisturizing. And next is a Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. That's been going in the giveaway. I don't know why I snipped it, but yeah. And the next one that I got, I think this one, I believe this was another choice. Yeah, it was this between the that really big bag. I wish I would have waited because I didn't realize how expensive that bag was, but I went with the crown brushes, and I'm definitely going to keep this because it's pretty pricey, and I don't think I'll ever buy myself something like this. Definitely excited to try that out. And, ooh, I think I'm getting close to the end. Next is the Alfred French press coffee maker. This also is going to be going in the giveaway. So just a recap on all the stuff in the giveaway, and I'll probably most likely send it in my Fabfitfun box because just recycle, I guess. I'm putting this in the giveaway. It was a choice of this or the teapot thing, and I chose this, but we got like a really nice fancy, I forget what it's like, a fancy coffee maker anyways, but yeah, I can't think of what it's called right now. I'm going to be giving this away. And I'll put the total on the thumb drive or the thumbnail again, what the total worth of my giveaway is. And this is a sun glow that's going in the giveaway. It's a really big bag, this soap, even though that would probably come in handy for me, but I'm going to give it away. The liquid lipstick. I've seen other YouTubers try this on, and I really love the color, but I really like my matte lipsticks. Like I said, I don't like it transferring, but the issue that I have with a lot of liquid lipsticks is when I eat or drink or anything, it just starts coming off and I don't like it. Giving away this blush, that's going in the giveaway. The dry shampoo spray. These masks, even though my I was so tongue twisted lately. Even though my skin needs these probably, but I think with all the other stuff that I have, it'll do. I'm giving these brushes away in the whole Ipsy bag. And I think that should be good because that's a lot of stuff for my first giveaway. That's a lot of stuff for my first giveaway, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm gonna keep this because I just want to test it out. So yeah, those were all my giveaways. So how you can enter in for my giveaway is subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, like my video and comment that you did all of those steps, and then I'll I can't talk right now. I'm gonna comment a number from 1, starting with 1 and working my way through the numbers, and I'll be using random.org for the winner. And yeah, I will keep this giveaway open for, let's say, I'm thinking I want to do, let's just keep it open until Halloween. So on October 31st, I will do the draw, and hopefully I get enough participants. If not, somebody could just probably easily win it themselves. So again, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, like my video, and comment saying subscribed, bell, liked, and commented. That's it.
I just wanted to
and
give
also
a little quick recap. So the Boxy Lux,
yeah, I guess I'll just get a hold of you through
$334.99.
ask for your email.
That's pretty
or,
good.
I don't know if there's
probably
like,
spent about.
we'll figure it out
$50-ish.
on how we can contact each
Actually,
other.
I had to convert, so
be.
it came up to probably like 64,
Right? Thank you.
maybe.
And
The Fabfitfun is worth $285.98, and I'll probably try one more box of that. If not, I'll probably just cancel my subscription. Ipsy bag was unknown because they didn't give the prices of all their little stuff, but I hope you guys like it anyways. It's a whole bag, and the giveaway value is worth $146.99. That is my first giveaway, and so yeah, I hope you guys like. All right, bye.